It's definitely after midday, but thankfully I have decaf coffee, otherwise I would not be functioning right now. I would be like staying awake and wired all afternoon. I've just been hanging out here on the couch doing a bit of admin work, and I really should get up and do some stuff. I don't know if you can see all the way over there under my chair, there's little bits of black fluff. Rachel and Luca came over yesterday, and Luca left a whole bunch of fluff for me to go around and clean up. So I'm gonna vacuum, and I'm also gonna put away this washing, but I'm having just like a bit of a slow day today, and I'm just trying to organize my life, really. I am just finishing getting ready so that I can head over to Rachel's. I just have to put some shoes on. I think I'm gonna go sneakers today because I just want it to be like casual. I'm gonna put my jacket on because it's kind of cold. The only annoying thing about with jackets like this is you have to grab your sleeves, otherwise they end up all bunched up, and I hate that feeling. So it's such an effort wearing a tight jacket over like a sweater. But anyway, so I need to put on shoes, grab my laptop, notepads, stationery, all that sort of stuff. I'm gonna take my Everlane bag today because I feel like it will match my sweater because they're both nude colors, and I'm gonna put my laptop in its cover. It's this adorable little cover that I got from TDE, I think is the brand, and it's got like a little bee on it. I'll try and link it below, and I don't think I'm gonna take my iPad, but I definitely need to take some pens and pencils and a notebook. All right, my bag is looking pretty organized. I do just need to grab my laptop charger, and then I think I'm good to go. Okay, so I'm pretty much ready. This is my outfit, my casual, I've got work to do kind of outfit. I'll try and have most of this stuff listed in the description, but let's head on out. Hello. Jackie! Oh my god! I've made it to Rachel's. We're at our computers doing lots of stuff, and the animals are around.
Look at him. Go
Look at the little bunny. This is Ralphie. Hi, Ralphie. He thinks he's a dog, and he's the softest little bunny ever. And Ducky always gets jealous, don't you, Ducky? Yes, I know. You like all the attention, you chunk. Hello, Luca. Yes. Oh, so much attention. So much attention. Yeah. Okay.
Double vlog. So we've been sitting here looking at YouTube stuff, and we've decided that we're gonna go pick up some GoPros. Wait, this is so loud. So I have an older GoPro, and I've been using it for bits of this video, and then I'll show you Ray the new one and how you can actually mount like a flip up screen to it. So I think we're gonna go pick up some of those now. Yep.
Ducky, are you excited? Are you so excited? Can I have it? Can I have it, please? Where should we chuck it? Can I have it?
This way.
Easton.
Hilarious.
Oh shit.
As you would have heard Rachel say before, we decided we're gonna go and get some GoPros. I rang up the camera store, made the guy sort of like make sure I had everything in stock. He's got it on hold for us, so we're gonna head out and go and pick up some GoPros.
Look at him go. He knows where he's going at least.
I hope he has an owner.
Where is the owner?
Full of you. We're back. Ducky, you're so excited. Mitch got a tripod. we're opening the GoPro. Ooh, look at this. It smells really new.
It smells like new.
It smells really new. This is exciting.
Oh, the front screen now and a back screen.
That's
oh,
the
you've never
screw.
had one?
No,
have
I've
you?
never had a GoPro.
Okay, so this is your mount. You used to have to put it into a case.
Oh, okay.
But then you like mount it onto whatever, like put it through like that, and then you just like screw it in.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So what is that piece for? Like, what? Oh, is that sticky and you can stick it to something? Yeah. Oh, it goes into that and then you can
Yeah,
stick
and
that
you
to
can
something.
stick it.
Cool. Okay, so I got a few things. I got a new tripod because I wanted an actual tripod that goes sideways to do like vertical videos for Instagram. And then we both got the screen that goes on the top of the GoPro. And what's this one? This is the case that goes on the GoPro. And then I also got this wrist strap here that I think would be cool for some cleaning videos. So we'll have to try that out. And then this bit is the GoPro. And I also got like a tripod connector and an SD card as well.
Off my chili chicken quinoa recipe on the Eat Run Lift blog.
I'll link it below. Well, this just looks amazing. Thank you for cooking for me.
That's okay.
I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, it's a couple days later. It's Sunday afternoon and I don't know if you can tell just by looking at my face how tired I am. I'm gonna yawn again. I can't stop yawning. I'm so tired. I'm getting a cushion. Hang on. I need a little cushion to hug while I sit here and talk to you. I'm so tired. I could just curl up in bed and nap. Like I barely slept last night. I just tossed and turned all night. And I'm so tired. So it's Sunday afternoon and I have the busiest week ahead and I just wish I could have one more day of the weekend, which unfortunately is not something that I can just magically pull out of thin air. So I've decided it's time to just enact a chill, relaxing Sunday afternoon routine of sorts. I'm just gonna chill and I thought I would take you guys with me. I actually have a whole bunch of laundry on this chair that I should fold, so I might start folding it while I talk to you. But oh my goodness, I'm gonna yawn again. I'm so tired. Is anyone else just really tired? Anyone else out there just really exhausted? That's me right now. Ooh, actually, I was just thinking. So I've got my big, cozy, oversized sweater thing on. I bought this like maybe a month ago. It's the brand Cali, which is like an Australian brand, and it's got like a nice C on it. And it's this gorgeous like dusty rose pink color, and I love it so much. I wanted to get another one. They don't sell this color anymore, but I'll have it linked in the description because they have 4 colors. They have white, a gray, a honey brown color. I don't even know what you would call it, but it's really pretty brown color, and then like a really nice sort of, not like this green, I don't think it's like this green, it's probably got a bit more blue in it, like maybe like this. There's like a bit of, I don't know, not quite this, not quite this. It's like an in-between these 2 colors. And I really wanted to get another one. For some reason, I thought they had a black one because down the bottom where they have the little color circles, they have black, but it's actually the white one when you click on it. And I really wanted a black one because I thought that would be really cool. If they ever get it in black, hands down getting one. But I can't decide like on the colors that they currently have. I was thinking the green one, but I don't know. So can you please go and look at it and then tell me what color you like the most, because I can't decide. I just can't make a decision on it, but these are just the most comfortable jumpers ever. And I've washed it a couple of times already and it's still so soft and fluffy, and it's fleecy on the inside, and I love that. So I'm feeling extra cozy. But yeah, I feel so out of it and so tired. So we're gonna just have a super chill Sunday afternoon to finish off this vlog. I'll jump up and I'll start filming with my GoPro soon, so you can tell me what you think of that as well, because like I love the GoPro, super excited about it. I've played around with it a lot. The night that I got home with it, my SD card wouldn't be read on my computer. It was a whole thing. I ended up just leaving it, got up the next morning, had to like reset my whole computer. It works now, totally fine, but that was like really annoying. I was like, oh my gosh, did I just buy something that just doesn't work with my computer? That's fine. And yeah, so I'm gonna get up in a minute and do that. And for now, I'm gonna fold. I think I'm gonna color this afternoon. I don't know. We're just gonna chill out and have a chill, super tired, cozy Sunday afternoon. Okay, so now I'm filming on my GoPro. I don't know, does it look good? I have it zoomed into 1.5. Otherwise it's like super wide. It's currently 4:18 and this is the pretty Google Chrome display that I have on my TV. Yeah, I don't know. I think I like it so far. I'm not sure about the audio. I haven't had any of my tea yet because it's a little too hot. And I should move it away from the edge of the table. You know what? I should light my candle. Let's make it super cozy in here. I don't really know what I feel like doing. I don't really feel like doing anything, to be honest. I do like this candle though. This is like a blood orange candle from Circa Home. I think I got it from Bed Bath & Table. I'll try and link it below, but such a nice candle. I can't believe like I'm almost through it. I burn this most nights. I think I talked about that in my night routine, which I'll have listed in the description if you've not seen it. But yeah, so this is my first time, well not my first time because I've already tested it out, but this is my first time actually properly vlogging with the GoPro pointing it at my face, you know, so I actually really like it. I think like it's so light, it's nowhere near as heavy as my other camera, and the screen at the top is great because I can see myself and I really quite like it so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna be interested to see what other things I can do with just having an extra camera, especially for cleaning and stuff with like that wrist strap. I'm curious. So yeah, I just want to sit here on this part of the floor. I don't know why this part of the floor. This is like my favorite part of my living room where it just feels really cozy. I think I'm gonna get my, what do you call it? Like coloring pens. And I think it's just gonna be like a coloring kind of afternoon. I finished like the big animal thing. This is super relaxing, and because I'm feeling really like tired and I don't really want to cook, I decided to order in some food. I've also been watching the Kardashians. I started it on Netflix. I think they have like 4 seasons here on Netflix. Yeah, I watched these like way back in 2012 and it's like, it feels like forever ago. I mean, it's like 13 years ago, so it is a very long time ago, but it just, I don't know, it's crazy. Such a long time ago. I'm not like a huge fan of the Kardashians or anything, but I don't know, I thought I'd put this on and give myself something to watch. I ordered the Caesar salad from Schnitz. It's one of my favorite things to order from there. Look, it doesn't look that great because, you know, it's in like a takeaway container and everything, but it is so good. So I'm gonna eat this and keep watching, I don't know, whatever episode I'm up, season 2, episode 4, whatever it is, and just chill out. It's starting to get a little bit dark outside and I've actually just been, you know, scrolling on Instagram. And I keep seeing ads for this thing called Ponyo, and it seems like it's this rubber thing that's kind of a hair tie, but you put it on your hair and you squish it flat and it's supposed to like give you like lots of volume. Does anyone have one and do you think it's amazing? Because I'm thinking about buying some because all the videos look good, but I don't know if I'm just getting sucked into like an Instagram ad that keeps replaying, but I've seen it like a few times this week and I really want it. It's called, yeah, Ponyo. I'll maybe see if I can find it, link it below. If anyone's got any recommendations or anything similar, that would be great because yeah, I'm just thinking about it. But I think I'm ready to go and take my makeup off and have a shower and like get into the rest of my evening because I am still insanely tired. Dinner was delicious though. I really like the Caesar salad from Schnitz. It's like my favorite thing to get. But yeah, I always feel like I still struggle when I talk with my Invisalign, which I'm almost done. I only have a few weeks left, which is super exciting. The last 6 months has just absolutely flown by. So I'm excited. I can see the changes and I really like it. But yeah, I am gonna go and shower. I had to wash my hair because I am getting up really early tomorrow and I will not have time to do it tomorrow morning, so I had to blow dry it, which is always such an effort when you're tired, but at least it's nice and fresh. I can't believe how much my hair is growing though. Like, I'm so excited. It's definitely growing on like the average of what, 6 inches a year. It's definitely like keeping up with that, because last March I cut it off to like up here, so it's growing well, and I'm so glad that I dyed it back to being like brown because it's not breaking as much, which is amazing. I never would have had this growth if I had have kept going blonde, because I needed to go every 6 weeks when I was blonde, and now I go like every 3 months. So my hair is just so much healthier being this color, and I actually really like it. This is pretty close to my natural color. I mean, well, the top's close to my natural color, the ends are still really quite light. But yeah, I think I'm gonna head to bed now because it's finally getting dark and I feel like I can head to bed. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Up the top you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll also leave a link to Rachel's channel in the description, so make sure you go and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.